Hey everyone, Auto Ace here. Welcome back to the channel. Now, for today's video, we're diving into top 10 budget-friendly motorcycles you can buy. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, these bikes offer excitement without breaking the bank. So, if you're looking for two-wheeled freedom on a budget, stick around. This list is for you. Let's go! One, Honda CB300R. First up, the Honda CB300R. This bike combines minimalist design with performance, making it perfect for urban commuting and weekend rides. Engine. Power. Approximately 31 horsepower. Price. Starting at $4,949 USD. The CB300R's lightweight chassis and agile handling make it a joy to ride, especially for newcomers. Plus, it's got that neo sports cafe styling that turns heads wherever you go. 2. Yamaha MT-03. Next on the list is the Yamaha MT-03, a lightweight naked bike that's big on fun. Engine, 321cc liquid-cooled inline twin-cylinder. Power, around 42 horsepower. Price, starting at $4,999 USD. With aggressive styling and a comfortable riding position, the MT-03 is great for both city streets and twisty back roads. It's a lot of bike for not a lot of cash. 3. Kawasaki Ninja 400. If you're into sport bikes, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 offers performance and style on a budget. Engine, 399cc liquid-cooled parallel twin. Power, approximately 49 horsepower. Price, starting at $5,199 US. The Ninja 400 is not only beginner-friendly, but also offers enough punch to keep experienced riders entertained. It's a small displacement bike that feels anything but small. 4. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 is a classic in the middleweight category, known for its versatility and reliability. Engine, 645cc liquid-cooled V-twin. Power, around 75 horsepower. Price, starting at $7,399 USD. While slightly higher in price, the SV650 offers excellent value for a bike that can handle daily commutes and spirited weekend rides with ease. 5. Royal Enfield Himalayan. For the adventurers out there, the Royal Enfield Himalayan is a budget-friendly entry into the ADV world. Engine, 411cc air-cooled single-cylinder. Power, approximately 24.5 horsepower. Price, starting at $5,299 USD. With its rugged build and off-road capability, the Himalayan lets you tackle both city streets and dirt trails without missing a beat. 6. KTM 390 Juke. The KTM 390 Juke brings European flair and performance without the hefty price tag. Engine, 373cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder. Power, around 44 horsepower. Price, starting at $5,799 USD. Its sharp styling, lightweight frame, and advanced features like a TFT display make it a standout in the sub-400cc category. 7. Honda Rebel 300. Cruiser fans, the Honda Rebel 300 might be your match. It's a perfect blend of classic cruiser style and modern performance. Engine, 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder. Power, approximately 27 horsepower. Price, starting at $4,749 USD. The Rebel 300's low seat height and relaxed riding position make it accessible and comfortable for riders of all sizes. 8. Suzuki DRZ 400S. If dual sport is your game, the Suzuki DRZ 400S offers street legality with true off-road prowess. Engine: 398cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder. Power: around 39 horsepower. Price: starting at $6,999 USD. Ride it to work during the week and hit the trails on the weekend. It's genuinely a do-it-all motorcycle. 9. Yamaha YZF-R3. Another one for the sport bike enthusiasts. The Yamaha YZF-R3 combines sleek design with nimble performance. Engine: 321cc liquid-cooled inline twin-cylinder. Power: approximately 42 horsepower. Price: starting at $5,299 USD. With its R-Series styling, the YZF-R3 looks like it belongs on the track, but is perfectly at home on the street. 10. Kawasaki Z400. Wrapping up our list is the Kawasaki Z400, the naked sibling of the Ninja 400. Engine: 399cc liquid-cooled parallel twin. Power: around 49 horsepower. Price: starting at $4,999 USD. The Z400 offers the same great performance as the Ninja 400, but with an upright seating position and aggressive naked styling. So, there you have it. Affordable thrills, top 10 budget-friendly motorcycles you can buy. Which one caught your eye? Are you leaning towards the adventure-ready Royal Enfield Himalayan? Or does the sporty Kawasaki Ninja 400 rev your engine? Drop a comment below. I read every one of them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more motorcycle enthusiasts like you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Here at Auto Ace, we're all about helping you ace your automotives. Did you know that motorcycles can be more fuel efficient than cars? With some bikes like the Honda CB300R getting up to 70 mpg? That's not just fun, but also economical. Thanks for tuning in.